entwined, intimately entwined with each other. Suppose if you are not smelling something, you cannot get the taste of that food. Ability to taste depends on our smell. That's the reason when you are suffering from cold, when you suffer from cold, might be you have observed the taste, you will not get the taste of it. Why? You are not smelling it. You'll not get the smell of it, so you cannot taste it. Or if you are eating also, it looks tasteless to you whenever you are suffering from fever, cold and all. Due to that, what happens? The blockage of the nose get blocked, and the chemical receptor cells that are present are connected with each other. The nose and the mouth receptor cells are connected with each other. There is some chemical flowing. So the moment you smell it, even you can taste it. So the ability, to taste depends on the molecules that are set free. So when you chew or drink something which is very tasty, the juices, or you chew some good food, at that time, the smell of it reaches, the smell, the molecules reaches from the tongue to the nose and from nose to the tongue, and they are intimately entwined, so that you can able to smell and even able to taste it. When your tongue along with your smell roof of your mouth are very closely related to each other. The tongue consists of gustatory receptors and the nose consists of olfactory receptors. Together we call them as chemoreceptors. So these chemoreceptors are the special receptors present in the tongue and the nose that directly connects with your brain. Yeah, it directly connects with your brain. Whenever you put something or smell it, the nerve carry the impulses to the brain and you are able to taste it, whether it is sweet, whether it is salty, whether it is bitter, whether it is sour, or one more taste called as umami. Umami is the new taste found by the Japanese. Umami is the new taste found by the Japanese. One more extra taste. But we all know about these four tastes that are felt on our tongue. And who is controlling this? As I said you, the brain. The brain is controlling. Yeah, we came to know that hunger pangs are created, initiated by the brain into the circulatory system. Circulatory system is connected with your digestive system. Then hunger pangs are created. And how smell and taste are closely related with each other. Here also brain again further connected with your sense organs, and the sense organs is further connected with your digestive system, that is creating or allowing you to consume the food when you smell it, when you taste it. So all this depends. So they send the signals. The signals are stimulated by the receptor cells, and we are able to, eat the food or consume the food. So in the brain, what is that helping? In the brain also, name that structure that helps in initiating. It is said that vagus nerve, the 10th cranial nerve. So the vagus nerve along with glossopharyngeal, glossopharyngeal, glossopharyngeal nerve and the vagus nerve together in the brain stimulates the initiation, and we are able to taste it, or we are able to smell it. So both smell and taste are connected with each other. To understand that much better, to understand this much better, let us achieve some cumin and fennel seeds. You know what is cumin? Cumin is nothing but, generally in Urdu we call it as zira, right? You can see here, this is cumin. And what are fennel seeds? Fennel seeds are nothing but generally what we call it as saunf. Now, as I said you, our smell and taste together very closely related. If you are not smelling something, you will not get the taste of it. Very good activity you can do now also at home, but if you are fasting, don't do it. After you break your fast, you can, do this activity. Take a spoonful of cumin and spoonful of fennel. Close your nose so that you are not smelling this. You are not supposed to smell it. Or tell someone in your home to you just bring it and put a pinch of, cumin in your mouth. chew it, don't smell it. Then relax after 1 minute, then again chew fennel seeds, even closing your nose. Both the taste looks same. You cannot get any good taste. Both look same to you, dry. It is because of the smell. So it is smell that is giving you the taste. Exactly. So the taste is felt only because of the smell. If you are not smelling, you cannot taste it. Even you can do that activity with potato and apple. Do you know potato and apple contains all those elements same, everything same. It is only because of the smell of that apple and the outer cover that is red in color, the apple looks yummy to us, whereas potato, after cooking only you can consume it. Without cooking, can you consume potato? No. Only when you fry it, it look good to you. But do you know apple and potato are made up of the same elements, same elements. Only because of the smell, apple looks different to you, and only because of the smell, potato looks different to you. Allah Ta'ala has made students that we are, able to smell it, and the taste of those products appear different to us. And when I'm talking, how we are able to feel these all, who is helping in that? Tongue plays a very important role. So in the process of digestion, you are seeing that brain is connected, sense organs are connected, even circulatory system is connected. Each and every processes are working in harmony together. They are integrated so that we are able to survive. So your tongue also plays a very important role. It consists of vilate papillae. It consists of small papillae. If you open your tongue wide in front of the mirror and see, you can see small dots on your tongue. Have you seen that? Exactly. Those are called as vilate papillae, the one which are present at this area, and these are called as foliate papillae. At the corners are called as foliate papillae, and at the front area you can call it as fungiform papillae. Fungiform papillae. So these are the three different types of papillae present on the tongue. So as soon as you are keeping some food, as soon as you are keeping some food on the tongue, the food reaches this area. Small pouch-like structures you can see here. This pouch-like structure helps in, taking the content. And these are further connected with the nerve, and they also reaches your brain. So each tongue has papillae. The papillae consist of pore, taste buds. The taste buds have the pore. The pores are connected with your brain. So they send the message and you are able to taste the food. So this is about, a small activity to achieve this and to know how tongue is also playing a very important role. And